George Soros and Stanley Druckenmiller made over $1 billion in one day shorting the British pound. In the early 90s, Britain's currency, the pound, was tied. Exchange rates with other European countries, namely Germany with the Deutschmark, they had to fall within a certain range. So this really tied the hands of the Bank of England, where even if it wasn't in the best interest of Britain's economy, they had to buy up pounds and keep the pound overvalued, raise interest rates, and they thought it was unsustainable. So they either thought the pound would devalue or Britain would just leave the ERM, and that would cause the value of the pound to fall dramatically. So the way that they did this is they took out a loan in pounds, they would convert that loan into marks, and then they would just wait, with the ultimate goal being if the value of the pound dropped relative to the mark, they would be able to repay the loan at a lower rate and profit. So the day when everything went crazy was Black Wednesday, September 16th, 1992. Soros and Druckenmiller had a position of about $10 billion shorting the pound, and the British pound was still trading in the bottom of where it could. So initially, the Bank of England tried to jack up interest rates from 10% to 12%, then to 15% to attract capital, but the market realized this was not sustainable. It would completely crush the UK economy long term. People kept shorting the pound, and ultimately, the Bank of England was like, we can't spend more money defending this peg, buying up pounds, so they abandoned it, and the British pound within just a few days fell 15% versus the German mark. Soros and Druckenmiller made like $1 billion in a day, which was absolutely insane.